Welcome to Outdoors with the Common Man. Let's go shoot some shit. Don't forget that like button, subscribe. It's all painted out now. Beautiful little guys. They're called fiddleheads.
Junior Hunter. Welcome to Outdoors with the Common Man. Today we're going to make buck jam.
We have corn syrup, apple juice, powdered sugar, some salt, Jell-O, we picked strawberry, and we have some fruit pectin. Okay, so we already poured in 1 liter of corn syrup. Then we filled it with water. We're going to add that in. Now we're just going to heat it up a little bit to make it easier for everything to dissolve in. Okay, now we got it warmed up. Next, we're going to put 1 pound of salt in it. You don't need to measure, so about half.
What if I accidentally put all?
Then it happens. All right, so put that down, stir that up a little bit. Next, we're going to use, since we used corn syrup, we're going to use about a half a pound of confectioner's sugar.
So about 1/4 of this bag?
Yep. Now you're going to want to stir it. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 liter of your basic cheap store brand applesauce. Nothing like making a mess. Oh, there you go.
You may need a bigger one.
Now, 1 package of strawberry jelly. We used this half of 1 of these packages. Stir that up. Now we're going to carefully carry this to the stove and get it to a nice slow rolling boil.
You picked the clumsiest person to do this.
All right, let's go.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like button below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Real videos for real people. Is your raccoon supposed to dress up in a trench coat and act like a human? What do you mean by real people?
Hey guys, if you like good food, good times, and good people, don't forget to check out the Montague Inn in Montague, New York, on the top of Tug Hill. Mention OCM or Outdoors with the Common Man, and also mention Tug Hill Annie, and you guys are going to receive a 10% discount on your stay at the hotel, or your food bill, or your bar bill. Just mention Outdoors with the Common Man and Tug Hill Annie. Don't forget to stop by Worthington's for all your firearms and ammunition needs. When you stop by, mention Outdoors with the Common Man and receive a 5% discount off in your order. Thank you.